Mrs. Winsor's Hitmen Cantos excerpt from CXXII. Interrogation at Castlereagh was clearly pretty rough at times. Dixit Powell, who could not admit Castlereagh. The Maze concentration camps without crematoria. Mein Kampf and Edward Long's History of Jamaica, similar racist homicide manifestos. Before We Stop Serving Liquor, 2 pub quiz questions. Falls Road, Belfast. Difference between Loyalists and KKK. Answer: the uniforms. Difference between Brits Castlereagh Interrogation Centre and Gestapo Headquarters 1 Prinz Albrecht Strasse. Answer: the uniforms. Difference between Deutschland über alles and Rule Britannia. Answer: Hebrew Irish slaves as hate targets. Final question, Irish question. Answer: regained. Mrs. Winsor's Hitmen Cantos excerpt CXXXII. And thus war scores relished by 007 James Bond wannabe pace Robert Nairac infiltrator enabler of oranges. Done by his arch-enemy caught playing plastic Paddy the Englishman in Drominty pub. Questioned in South Armagh creepy Irish woods 1977. Same woods blew guts out of Cromwell, the rebels poisoned the mosquitoes. Nairac forgot to read Fleming's Bond series Irish edition by Sean O'Fleming. You Only Live Once, Nairac, Casino Belfast, 6 Counties Not Forever, Hate and Let Death, Murder Raker on Mrs. Winsor's Killing Service, From London with Hate, Goldfingers of the Ira, 6 Counties Pussy Galore, Diamonds for Rostreva, Dr. Pais Nazi Lay. Nairac Shot Before Dawn, Birds Woken as Every Pub in Drogheda Knows. Mrs. Winsor's Hitmen Cantos excerpt from CXXIX. Murder Chants from Orange Hall. Hatefulness, hatefulness, the only gift that I possess. I thank the order, I possess more than my share of hatefulness. Snare drumming, hatefulness, hatefulness. And Survivor, Travers key witness to UVF who asked during Buskell ambush, who's Dickie Rock? Which one of yours is Dickie Rock? Dickie most famous Showband star of 1970s but had left the band for solo career. UVF research out of date SAS UVF plan backfires on bomb plot. Brit headlines were to read Dickie Rock dies in Showband bomblast. Showband's linked to Ra, Showband's key players in northern attacks. MI5, MI6 counterintelligence dirty war Irish entertainers are bombers. Good fiction for London. Copyright Kevin Keeley Endgames, Good Friday Agreement and Mrs. Windsor's Hitmen Cyberwit, India 2020 from Yrland regained Central Cantos 2021.